Good morning. This morning I'm going to be showing you a bit change, a cutter change in an E32 collet for my Maverick CNC machine. This machine has a tool holder built right in, works pretty slick. The tool goes in on the flat spots and locks into place with that latch. With the machine comes a wrench that fits the collet nut. Good little bit of torque. I think it's 95 foot-pounds of torque that go into the nut. So there's the old bit of classic spiral coming out. When I clean these collets, I like to go ahead and separate the entire thing and blow them out with some air first. Make sure I get the nut. And this one's been on for a while, so I'm going to lube it up really good. If you can see, there's some gunk in there. I'm going to get that all out with a soft wire brush. Make sure the threads and the seats of the races are all clean before I put it back together. Over time, if you leave dust and debris in your threads, they can wear down and loosen up, and then you'll need to replace nuts, collets. Gets expensive. So it's best to get in and clean the threads out, clean all the mating surfaces, make sure they're nice and shiny, no dust, no debris, no rust. So as you can see, we're in much better shape. Do the same thing with the tool holder itself. Make sure I get in and clean up in here. Dust gets in the cracks within the collet, settles up in there. Same with the bit. Today I'm going to be carving a sign with a V-carving bit. This is a 60 degrees V-bit. 3 flutes. Give everything a good shot, a wipe down. And the collet itself got a little more dust. You can see the dust stuck in the little crevices. It's important to keep those cleaned out, because if this can't compress around the bit, it may spin and then you've ruined the collet and the bit potentially. So assemble the collet back into the nut. Good little push, and then it should spin freely in there, nice and clean. And the bit, that's the back side. The bit needs to come through about 3/4 to make sure you got a good tight grasp on the bit. It won't spin. So I've got plenty of profile out of the tool to do my cutting. I'll thread that back on the tool holder. And once again, the wrench at about 95 foot-pounds.